Dear, I've got blue all over the camera. Anyway, done one, so let's hang it up. So I'll leave this one down here, this one down here. That's had a couple of paints of primer, that's had one. I'll leave them for a bit, come back and do it over again. So yeah, that's the day's job. A nice little ram mount on here now. And I want to wire up something a bit more better. Oh yes, of course, I've put the old Zelda sticker on there. That's on all my bikes. That's 3 layers. And I think he needs one more down there. That's looking pretty good. So we don't have any black paint, I'm going to have to find some. And then I'll leave that for a bit and come back to it later. It's not a flower. You're not going to find any pollen here. Very interested in the blue. Obviously he thinks it's a flower. What's he doing? Well, stop. I do need to take this rubber bung off and put this on the new one. This exhaust, I have to cut that off and cut this off so it can actually fit. So I need to cut just around there. Slowly drilled these a little bit bigger. Oops, which way does that go now? I'll find out in a minute, it only fits one way. Do the exhaust up now. When it's all in, I just got to push that up there and make sure it connects. It's on. Took a bit more effort than I previously anticipated. So, painted these, lacquered them. Yeah, they look alright. So, let's try and fit them. Alright, old shock off. Hopefully this will fit. Oh, lower on it. These are a little bit smaller, which is probably what they need to be. It means that we need to get off its center stand. Okay, there we go. And they're on. Not too bad. Quick paint job, wasn't it? Just sprayed black. This is graphite black. But they suit the bike well anyway. I think the bike sits like a little bit lower as well. So when you sit on it, it actually sits a bit lower as well. So much more comfortable riding position that is. Hopefully it's be more comfortable on the road. Just took it for a test spin. Suspension's so much better. And the exhaust is on. It took me a couple of tries to get it on right. It just wouldn't, I don't know, it wouldn't seal properly. Now it is sealing, so. So I found these the other day. These are, no, I'm going to be mad if these ain't genuine, because they were so cheap, but they said they were genuine. Here we go. Are they genuine? You know what? I think they are. These were literally 20 quid. These are 20 quid. These are the genuine article. And they fit. Well, let's get rid of this horrible square one and put these lovely rectangle ones on. A lot of people actually make the mistake they do. I did actually realise. But yeah, all the pictures I saw people have circle ones on. The correct ones are these. Oh, I've got a nice pair as well, so I'm putting both of them on, of course. Right, let's go ahead and do that. They look much better, they do. Them two lovely mirrors. With a little bit of a clean, but yeah, they look pretty good. Suit the bike much better. The proper mirrors for the bike. Oh yes, and also I got this. I'll put a time lapse in maybe if I've got one. But yeah, yeah, 3D printed. You know what that means? I've got a 3D printer. Looks alright. It was just like a test thingy, and there was 2 holes here, you see. So all I've done is just bolt it to it. So that should do for now. But yeah, I printed this off to test my printer basically, and I've just that's just marker pen. But it looks alright actually, considering it cost me, I don't know, whatever it is in didn't cost me much. So what's next for this bike? Well, it's the seat really, is the main thing. So I was gonna send it off, but I spent the money on a 3D printer. So instead, I'm not gonna send it off just yet. I'll wait until probably winter time now, and that will get sent off, or I'll take it down at the end of summer or something to get it sorted out then. I'm not sure what's next for this little bike. And I've taken the bike for a test ride. The new shocks. Oh, so much better. So, new exhaust. Yeah, loads of new bits. It's going to have to go on the back burner for now because it's summertime and I want to go travelling more. So I won't have to spend much time in the shed, and I just got the paperwork for my other bike. So now I want to take this for a ride instead. Might as well just forget about this bike, come back to it later on. But yeah, everything's sort of okay on it now, so I'm happy with that. It'll just be my nice road bike for the odd summer cafe run, but now the shocks have been done, oh, it's so much better. Anyway, thanks to the support guys, thanks to the patrons. At some point I need to sort out all my spare parts and gubbins, and we can clear down all this board because I don't need it anymore, because I'm done with this project, I think. Well, that's all the Honda CT stuff. I need to clear away all the Honda CT stuff, and yeah, just carry on with this slowly. Anyway, sorry for rambling. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.